Distal part of the ulna is not much remarkable. It is much smaller in diameter than the proximal end of the ulna. The ulnar head is the enlarged distal end of the bone which articulates with the ulnar notch of the radius to form the distal radio-ulnar joint. The head has a sharp distal-most projection known as the styloid process, which articulates with the lateral part of the carpal bone of the wrist joint. It gives attachment to the ulnar collateral ligament of the wrist. It is separated from the remainder of head by a deep groove or pit, the fovea, at the lateral end. Now at the distal end, there is another groove also present, which is the extensor carpi ulnaris groove. It houses the tendon of extensor carpi ulnaris muscle. It supports the dorsiflexor and adductor of the hand at the wrist.